Hi again, PE fam. This is Coach Lester. I wanted to follow up my video about how to get your Flipgrid link. There is a second way for the instance that you press complete and forgot to copy your link. So with every Flipgrid video that you do, you should get an email. Flipgrid, Team Flipgrid, will send you an email to your student account, the account that you register your Flipgrid video. So you may want to add noreply@flipgrid.com as a user or a contact, if you will. Check your junk or spam, but you will get an email from Team Flipgrid. It says you've shared your voice. Your video is now on Flipgrid. So this was the video that I had made previously. I could download my video, download the selfie. This is what I want, the QR code. So that's the quick link to my Flipgrid video. You could even hover and it shows you the link to your video. So if you click QR code, this is going to get you straight to the video. So you can right click to copy, and you could paste this QR code in your reflection log as opposed to the link. So if you right click, copy image, right click, copy image, we're going to go back to our reflection log and say we didn't have the code, we couldn't figure it out, right? I'll move this over here. We can right click and paste. Right click, paste, and there is my QR code. So you can resize this so it looks aesthetically pleasing and fits in your journal, because it doesn't matter how big it is, okay? And you can fit it to the blue box to make it look all good. That's a little wide. Okay, so you could resize it however you want, but ideally that's all that I need is your QR code there. So you could either have your direct link, which I showed you how to get in your other video, or if you forgot and press, complete or submit, you'll get an email. You go to QR code, you click QR code, takes you to the screen, right click, copy, here, right click, paste, and it's going to get you your QR code in your log, okay? All right, hoorah.